This is Ingamafaranga Club, a student club operating in Rwanda-CAE Busogo campus. Our vision is about to monetize farming in Rwanda by empowering students to encourage farmers to learn more about income from agriculture. In partnership with DRD and Rotary International, Ingamafaranga Club came up with a project of developing agroforestry and agroecology research based on decision-making for sustainable and profitable farming system for both farmers and students. Through this process, we invited the farmers in our campus to come and learn more about how it's done.
Around 9:30 a.m., the farmers arrived in CAVM with a warm welcome from student representative Mr. Mujiza Ihirwe Innocent, who also gave a time for knowing each other between farmers and students. Dr. Jean D'Amour Manilele, a lecturer in CAVM and a researcher, welcome again a guest. He said that we are in a good generation where one have to learn from his or her fellows. Farmers learn from students and students learn from farmers. He also said that the University of Rwanda will remain open and ready to improve the collaboration between university and farmers through Ingamafaranga Club. The principal of CAVM, Dr. Guillaume Nyagatare, helped farmers to know much about the compost making, but he also told them about the successfulness of Velomo culture and the manure from it. He said, we farmers need to focus on innovation in agriculture and to do what we need to learn and imitate what others do. That means you need to go and implement what you learn in our campus. This will help you to stop daily consumption-oriented farming and start cash-oriented farming. After a welcome word, farmers alongside students from Ingamafaranga Club went to the farmer with the university staff in charge of agriculture who gave them an explanation about research conducted by students, especially focusing on usage of fertilizers. They also visited CAVM Rwanda, where they learned how to get money from the scarce land through their mushrooms farming. Farmers also learned the technology of greenhouse farming, and the agronomist told them that they must start considering using the greenhouse in order to attain the profit from them. The CEO of CAVM Rwanda, Mr. Emmanuel Tuyishime, said, we are here to train everyone interested, and we will keep training farmers mushroom cultivation and even looking for markets by making eating flour out of it and porridge flour.
The journal ended up with a speech of Mr. Mazimaka Jean Damascene, who teaches the farmers a better way of planting their own avocado by grafting method. They also give them a support of seedling avocado trees of hers to plant in their homes.